Good morning. We're here. New job. New face. I've had a shave, man. I've had a shave for a new job. So, we're in Kirkstall. Kirkstall Abbey's just down there somewhere. We're in Kirkstall and we are on a landlady's house, like I've said before. But look how small this is. 18 square metres. Pathway Tommy's. Step up to there. Step down to there. So, it's fairly easy, really. So, we're hoping to be done Friday. But you've got to stay tuned to find out. So, easy, Indian stone, 3x2, rip and buff, in, out. Done. Easy. No room for skips or anything, so we're carting it to his local recycle centre and doing it that way. So, yes, let's crack on. I think unless it's like don't want to be bothered. Right then, we are done for today. So now you can probably see how it's forming. It'll bounce up from here, it'll path rising up to the bottom of that tile. But then from there, you've got this patio here with a wall appearing here. It's going from nothing to say 4 or 5 inch, something like that. And the same on that side. The patio's starting here at this height, going over to them drains. That's a concrete pad over there, isn't it? It's flaggy, is massive. But you're going to step onto that, so you'll be stepping on, path, on, like that. But yeah, that'll break this flag. 900 by 900, reinforced. It's a right old boy. So we're going to lift it on. But we might do it now. Might take it now, actually. But yeah, it's taking shape. Tom's just said, we're not taking that now. We're taking it tomorrow. Whatever. Can't lift it on my own, so I can't prove him wrong, can I? So, my question now is, small job or big job? Seeing how tight it is, one batter in, out, in, out, in, out. He's cutting, I've got to stand at top of the street. Where's Mixer going to go? You know what I mean? He's going to start laying tomorrow. Where's Mixer going to go here? 5 flags in, we're going to have to move Mixer out there. And the street's like, proper steep. But yeah. Stoned up in a day. It's not like other job, what it? Bloody week and a half, 2 weeks. But yeah. We will see you tomorrow.